First Nation and we believe in I think from this, so you see me. And a grand spend before I would from me, I tell you, say you are.
Viewers and subscribers, kings and queens, line and lioness, war is in the air. And it look like said, Jahshii no fear, and him no care, him a fire shot here and there. See, the man said, them no bad, see me? But the man no call no name. Don't forget to like and share the content, subscribe and click the bell because the review here, we are get straight to the point. So me I say, war look hot, war I go Gwaan, but we want the man them for call name star. Yeah, so me I say my viewers and subscribers, so don't go nowhere now. We are going to walk a reason and want to be active in the comment section.
Can I get a wow?
Wow.
Water with?
Wow.
Walipa?
Wow.
People check out Lion Foot TV. Can the wow say that?
Big up yourself, Candy. Yeah, man. Viewers and subscribers. Yeah, Jahshii, the intro of this vlog, the man said, grandson him come from. And who believe in the First Nation from man in day one. No boy can give him no strength. Zine, remember say, somebody, I don't know, the Ratty Gang fans, they must say, him lean pan skeng. Forget look highlight and break, then him this the man and a style man. So me feel like this is my opinion in my viewers and subscribers. Let me know if you don't agree with me. Me feel like that's what Jahshii say, you know, a grandson him come from a First Nation from day one, you know, them believe in the thing I know say the dream will come true. Saying, yes man, me not tell no lie, you know. Skeng Jahshii give them a old style, baby Wayne. You see me I say? Yes man, this remind me of one of my songs I write a long time too, you know. Big up baby Wayne, you know. But me I tell my viewers and subscribers, yo.
Oh, them haunted, nobody them not kill them pussy, then nobody just mouth talking.
Oh, them haunted, nobody them not kill. I just be a mouth talking. Who Jahshii attack my viewers and subscribers? Hey, who Jahshii attack White Shadow? Hey, you be a son of man, but me know who you teach Jahshii attack. Hey, I'm locked. You me say man, blast! Who Jahshii attack? No sir, this sound like some shutter show off of the Ratty Gang them in the skeng them in because something where the man has said, where Jahshii saying in the song short and spicy. I don't know. You see me I say it's a DJ Frost production. Big up the whole grand spending a big up Ratty Gang, see me, big up First Nation, all of this genocide, them guys, everybody saying music nice again. And we want the clash to start. Real way and name a call. You see me? So that's why I have to big up Silk Bass, because Silk Bass got direct at Jahshii with the artwork and all of them things there. Is it? Yeah, man.
Man a bad man, them a IG post up the hashtag.
Yo, you see that line there? At that moment, I feel like a Ratty Gang Jahshii a shoot off, and I may be wrong. See? But anyway, you don't know man say them a IG bad man. Be a hashtag bad man them. You see me? Remember say Buddha did comment and say them not kill friend killer and all of them things there. So me and some viewers and subscribe. So I Jahshii did reply back and say don't afraid for kill a friend killer. So me I say so me feel like at this so Jahshii shoot hard. Boy the friendship like it really mash up the truth. Zine. But my viewers and subscribers who want the clash go on lyrically, you know. I remember say skeng now look no hype off of Jahshii. Now off a massacre cause the man them hot. Jahshii hot, skeng hot, come like every thing when skeng drop a hit. So me I say, yeah. Zine Massacre, you don't know Massacre veteran, general, not the thing long time. Zine, so yeah man, my viewers and subscribers, me not lie. And the next thing again, we another song here, you know. And next thing we are pre, my viewers and subscribers, and this is what Jahshii say, Lord.
When First Nation run program, fool can't get where you must see a smoke crack.
When First Nation run program, you can't get where you must see a smoke crack. You hear what Jahshii say? And who act, hey. Viewers and subscribers are subliminary this, you know, but come on. Jahshii make you know who I'm talking now. Who for name I call up on COKE or CRACK. Viewers and subscribers, talk in the comment section. And who Jahshii attack? When man run program, only can get where you must hear smoke. The white substance. We call it the white lady over here. Yes! My viewers and subscribers, boy, I'm not telling like Jahshii drop some hard shit. Zine, man, so you not bad, you know emoji bad man, you know hashtag bad man. You see me I say, yeah man, under my eyes and ears right now, I might look at 2 cents. So me I discover some must. Him this, him answer Silk Bass with you, but him not go directly. Like how Silk Bass got directly with the artwork, them and them thing there. Hey, Silk Bass have a song, you know. When put Jahshii in a coffin, but him not drop it yet. You see it? We have to go review that one day, named Last Nation. But anyway, Jahshii have a song you know name them no bad. 2 minutes and it got over 100 odd K views already. Dance all nice man, but one of them for a call name like how Movado and Cartel go at it. If you ever say Kill and Bean man them go at it. Zine, the man them a look like them shy, them free. Them not nothing for lose because them fan base done big already. And then done rich already. You see me some of viewers and subscribers. Man, the man for clash man. Yo man, hey.
Man a bad man. Them a IG post up the hashtag.
Yo, I had to play it again. Man, a bad man. Them a post up. Them a internet bad man. Hashtag bad man. Emoji bad man. Zine, remember say Buddha and where the next artist name? You get what me and say? Go in a Jahshii DM, you know. I say, yo, them on a friend killer, them a Jahshii this and Jahshii that. Yeah, so me and some viewers and subscribers and another song of Jahshii I say, yo, man on a cokehead. I must have smoke crack when man on program you have to dead. You see me and say? Yeah man. Next thing Jahshii say again, the man and say, yo, about them haunted. You see me and say, and who are the man who are haunted right now? Now skeng, when skeng says skeng look wild like him hype on the substance. The Malian then sitting there and skeng I say, yo, this song was skeng the wedding and him when shoot off a massacre. You see me and say? Yo, my viewers and subscribers, that be that tell the lifestyle. The man them for us war lyrically, musically and show say them bad. Silk bass clap back again, but him not drop the song yet. Last Nation, Jahshii in a coffin, Zine. Jahshii talented that shows him bad too, not just message wise songs. Him can deliver bad man song, clash song. Massacre, we know Massacre have it. Skeng, I shows him no fear. And so me I say, yes man, and Skeng I shoot hard. Big up the Ratty Nation, big up, you don't know, Gaza Nation, big up the First Nation, all of the nation them. You see me I say, yes man, Ice Nation, everybody big up man. We just there as the, I don't know, the call it now, the vlogger / artists and the watcher on the outside to entertain the fans them. Some of fans want to make me know what to think. See who I run from, who not run. You see me I say, who bad from who, nobody who you thinking I win if you clash with Gwaan start. Yeah man, we got the fans them of the artists them still. You see me, but I don't know. Skeng, Jahshii. You get to me and say Silk Bass, all of them. For clash right now and just show them bad. So Vibes Cartel and Movado do it and excel to a higher heights and rated as the best, one of the best dancehall artists them. See me? Because the man them tune for one another. So Cartel drop song and some Movado answer. Movado drop song, Cartel answer. Beanie Man and Bounty check back in the 90s coming up. You see me and say, yeah man, so the artists and plus man up and do the thing man. Do the music when they done rich already, when they done and making the money and people don't convince you are bad artists, and talented, and gifted, and getting an opportunity, but you have to look a few that go on. Big up on yourself. My lioness, big up on yourself. Let me know the thinking in the comment section. I don't know a lion for another vlog. I remember, big up on yourself, stay safe. Life is precious. Cherish each and every moment. See? Yeah man. Yeah man, I hear I can't live out say. Check out Lionfoot TV. Don't forget to like and share, subscribe. Click the bell. Pass this on to a friend. Make them hear what go on. Saying? Yes, man. Big up on yourself. Whole heap of love. I'm out. Not another word out of my big mouth.
Thanks for watching Lionfoot TV.